This month I'm just putting out fires everywhere basically. Business cards, done. Leaflets, done. Bows, top of the leaderboard baby.
Making extremely big bracelets to fill over extremely big ads. So we have now officially stocked Rose Gold Daytona Oysterflex with the factory set Piguet bezel and shoulders.
Oh, so it's just a camera thing at that. It's such a...
Look at that, that's fucking bang on. Smell you, mate.
Today buying today, bought a lot. Yeah, normally I'm the dearest. When people want discount, I've got to go to the boss. If it's up to me, I feel up more. It's up for 6.9, sold it for 6.7. Good discount on Friday. I ain't even lunch tonight.
Just a quick tip, this is our bestseller. If you're stuck, you're thinking, this is the watch to go for.
Who you are on Instagram, or have you seen anything online?
I kind of like all gold on a day, but I think I'd be too small for wrists.
Yeah.
Well, Sky weather, but then APs of them as well, the Rolex. Pretty smart. So more every day as well.
Yeah, no worries.
Yeah.
So, I mean, look, 36mm day dates.
A bit too small. Like.
Yeah, maybe a little bit too small. They're going to be around like the sort of 14, 15k mark.
Yeah.
Or you could get either maybe a still and gold Sky Dweller or a steel Sky Dweller. They're going to be around like the 15k mark, maybe under for a still and gold. Trying to think what else. APs, diver, which is going to be around the 17k mark. But I mean, I'll pull some out for you, mate. Try them all on.
Yeah.
With the Sky Dweller, steel or still and gold, or would like to try both on and see?
Try both on, mate.
Yeah?
Yeah. Right.
Try them on, it should be. Yeah, mate, there's a few different ones there for you. We're just making extremely big bracelets to fit over extremely big ads. We're there? Yeah, just to see how it looks on the wrist. That's just the steel black dial. And you can get the white dial as well. Depends, like, I mean, depends what you wanted to go for. Did you want a bit of gold? Because the steel and gold's actually cheaper than the steel models, majority of them, yeah. So these APs I've got here are, so you've got the diver, which is the rubber one. Yeah, so these are the steel bracelets one. The cheapest one of these is 25.5. That's for a white dial. So it depends where you want it to be money-wise, do you know what I mean? So that's the cheapest full steel bracelet we've got, yeah, which is 25.5. Yeah. And then the black one is a little bit more money just because it warrants more because of the black. It's like £3 more. Other than that, it's going to be rubber.
I don't like the rubber ones.
No, I don't like it. Looking at steel Sky Dwellers, steel and gold Sky Dwellers, and a lovely 15400 AP. So nice different range of Rolexes and APs, but AP is definitely the winner for me. To be fair, you're looking at the bigger watches really, the 42mm Sky Dweller, and then the 15400s, 41mm, nice size. Can't imagine he'll be any good in a 36mm day. Should put it on him for a bit banner. If you needed it, if it needs it, or if you wanted me to, we can get it all polished up for you as well. We haven't even had time to do it yet. We bought it in.
Which one is the latest?
When did Cal come in?
Yeah.
Decision is made. We have gone for the lovely 15400 black dial. For viewers out there who are unaware, this is the Discontinued model, discontinued in 2019. It's got the lovely skeleton case back, which is a beautiful addition to the watch. This one is a 219, which is one of the last before they discontinued it. But the black dial is beautiful, lovely clean watch. If you know, you know. So guys, we have finally found one of the new Daytona releases. This come from a customer from the Far East who we deal with quite a lot. He lives out in Dubai. Was managed to get this watch at retail. He's then hit us up. We've agreed a price. So we have now officially stocked the Rose Gold Daytona Oysterflex with the factory set Piguet bezel and shoulders. I'm not quite sure on the reference, I've just brought it in, so I'll have to check what the reference is, but Mikey will put down here below what the reference is. Literally first time I've seen the watch. It's absolutely beautiful. Massive fan of the Oysterflex. It's going to be around the 200k mark, 200k and above. We're not quite sure yet. We're going to see what the current market value is, and then we're going to judge off that. But it's here, physical, in stock, if there's anyone serious out there. Recently had a RM30 Rose, which we've sold. We've done well with a few Pateks recently, so Feels like the more expensive higher end watches are getting a lot more of attention nowadays. So hopefully this one is another one that we can move on. If you do want to finance this watch, you need a £175,000 deposit, then you can finance at 25 grand.
So I've been on holiday, guys. Now we're just getting some photography stuff sorted, putting the watches back together. So we've taken some photos of new stock that's just arrived, and I'm putting them back on show.
Yappa, yappa, yappa.
Don't be for this.
The invoice cap.
So we got a Datejust 2, Wimbledon, still in gold, obviously. This was a classic entry 41mm for the typical Londoner. We sell a lot of these. We used to and we still do. If you are interested, get in touch with me. I'll let you know the details and the price. Datejust 2s are really good value at the moment, because you know that the retails on the Datejust 41s have gone up significantly. These have held well, and they're a good value for money. So at least come and view it. And if you are interested, we can do a deal.
Oh, so it's just a camera thing at that. It's
Do you remember the company? You can go.
Look at that, it's fucking bang on. I don't know what it is. Has that got mic? Is that good for like catching sound in that? Mic's right there. Oh yeah, of course, yeah. And then you can... What's the matter with you, mate?
Do you know what I mean? Finsbury Service Gardens.
Application double with no. I did pay.
Can I see?
Do you know what? I actually got offered really high for it the other day, and I thought I'm going to LA next month. I'm just going to keep it.
Smells like your perfume. Buying in Lady Santos. Potentially might show the boys this one. It's a day of buying today. Bought a lot.
Do you know what I mean? I just, for now...
So checks are good, guys. If you know your Cartiers, this is how the ETA movements used to be. So fun fact, these movements aren't actually manufactured by Cartier in these years. They used to outsource them and actually stamp them. Now they actually manufacture their own, hence why their newer shapes are much better performance-wise, looks-wise, and they're more streamlined.
Green on green. We are looking at a Cartier Santos with the green dial and on the green leather strap.
And it comes with
the metal strap, yeah, correct. I can also adjust that strap as well to make it a bit tighter if you want to take that one today. Yeah. The green dial's lovely as well.
Yeah, that's what I wanted, something a bit different. I'm only used to like rubber straps and...
The green dial with the green strap works lovely together, and then you've also got the option of the metal straps. It looks like you've got two different watches if you change the strap over.
Santos, how easy is it to...
Do you know what? With this model, it is very, very easy to do it. So if you push that in, it just comes out, and same on the other side.
Yeah.
And then the metal strap just clicks in. It's like a little push button.
Okay,
It's
cool.
literally so easy. No screws, nothing. It's just literally just popping the little button out.
Perfect. Oh, and what's it up for?
6.9 this one's up for.
Okay, cool.
Did you want to do the finance on it?
No,
So you messaged, oh, you want to do the...
No, I'm just going to just buy it out. What's the best we can do on it?
Yeah, normally I'm the dearest.
Yeah.
And when people want discount, I've got to go to the boss.
No, it looks perfect.
If it's up to me, put it up for more. It's up for 6.9. We sold it for 6.7. Discount on the Friday. I ain't eating lunch today. So the customers I see it also on the metal one, see what one it'll wear out. Personally, I think it looks better on the rubber, but personal preference. But yeah, just think the watch looks like on the metal strap. It's a lovely watch.
By the way, is that a 0% finance scheme available as well? So I was just wondering, how did that work?
Yeah, so the 0% finance is available over 12 months only.
12 months, okay.
Yeah, you've got to leave a deposit of minimum 10%.
Okay.
You can leave a higher deposit if you want to, but if you drop me a message on the Instagram now to that picture of the watch, I can send you over an application form to see if you get accepted.
Can you send me a couple of photos of that watch? And I asked, but I think maybe you have a newer one now. 1 second, I'll just drop you one.
Yeah, if you drop me a message now on Instagram, I'll get some more pictures sent over, and I can send you over an application form as well.
Over, let's say, 24 months or 36 months, what's the interest rate on for those?
So 24 months is 9.9%.
24 months is 9.9%.
9.9%, yeah, and 36 months and 48 months are the same with 12.9%.
Okay. And
Yep.
this is just the 12.9 and the 9.9, they're just fixed for the whole 24 months, right?
Yes, I mean you can pay it off early if you wanted to, but you'd have to get in touch with the finance company, and there obviously will be a penalty fine on that one.
Do accept American Express?
Yes, we now take Amex.
Okay, you take Amex. And where is your store exactly?
We're based in just near Liverpool Street Station. Amazing.
Thanks so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
This month I'm just putting out fires everywhere basically. Business cards, done. Leaflets, done. Sales, top of the leaderboard, baby. Yeah, so I am working my way up on the leaderboard. I am beating a certain someone in the office. You wouldn't believe who I'm beating if I said it, so I'm not going to say it. They have stopped me seeing the leaderboard because I'm getting a bit competitive and it is getting a bit much. But yeah, we're selling Daytona. Don't really great sellers for us. I mean, we sell them, but they're not most sought after. But I've just got a call for one. We have got one in stock, so I'm going to add that to my sales list as well this month.
88, 86 and 87 years. But all the same watch, she's got a fair condition in mind, so you're looking like bracelet, slack, you know. What do you think the size?
Yeah, I like this size. Because my wrist is quite small.
Yeah. Thing is, you can try a 31mm one.
Yeah.
Everything the 31mm, they got up to like the same sort of price, the 36mm.
Yeah.
So then you can go 36mm, so when does it really stop, you know? 26mm is quite a, it's a nice comfortable size, I think.
And the ones that you pulled out all...
Yeah, all positive papers, yeah. They all come with like full invoice, 12 months warranty. Just some people just don't look after it and they lose things, yeah. So, yeah.
How do you differentiate the conditions of this and the rest of them?
Just generally by the one with the least marks, I'd say, and obviously bracelets. The bracelets are a big thing. So that's quite good, I'd say, for the age. An 86, that's quite good condition. That's a little bit less condition, so it's a bit more.
Cool.
Top of this side.
Yeah, that's sweet.
Same about the same. They're probably a little bit worse. I'd say probably that's the best one.
That one, yeah.
And that's actually the oldest as well. But look, she's nice.
She'll take it.
You got that one? Yeah, should you go for it? So like I say, 12 months warranty included, comes box papers. The warranty covers you if anything mechanically goes wrong with the watch. It doesn't cover like any self-inflicted damage, e.g. you falling over, breaking the glass, whatsoever. So ladies, a factory champagne diamond dial going out today. Classic. Another one. Yeah, definitely by far better. If you are buying your loved one a watch, the main thing you got to look at is the case size, the dial colour, or the style of the dials. You can choose battens, you can choose diamonds. Not all ladies have diamonds, most of them do. And whether they want the Jubilee or the Oyster bracelet. But just a quick tip, this is our best seller. If you're stuck and you're thinking, this is the watch to go for. In all the years we've been doing it, this has got to be the best seller by far. Champagne diamond dot, 26mm. That's a real nice example of that. Yeah, and then the most important, a Trotters swing tag. That's the best swing tag. Found on eBay, that. Yeah, so I'm not too sure if you remember, so we've had this in for a little while. The original 50th anniversary Kermit, 2010, absolutely full set. So you've got your original booklets, your wallet and card, your original swing tags, your original bezel protector as well, and then your Trotters swing tag separately, but that's obviously full set. It's sad to see it go, to be honest. Let's get into a go. Certainly appreciates it, so it's got some originality to it. It's nice.
Yeah, no, it's perfect. It's really good.
Happy?
Yeah, happy. I've given it a bit of
yeah, it's nice that.
home polish. But yeah, the hand's in good nick. Bezel's almost decent. There's a couple of little bits missing. There's a few nicks on the side, but it's a used watch.
I like the fact, I just love the story behind them and how, you know, the patina and how old they are. What was that for then? 20?
22 or something.
Fair play.
It came with 8 as a box.
Yeah.
So
Well, you get original price.
I think that was mispriced, to be honest. I think it's worth a go on that.
I think that was going at one stage like 35.
Yeah, they were. Well, in good condition, so people still try and sell
full sets and stuff. The thing is, you can ask what you want to ask, but eventually
got to sell this.
Factory, dial, and date wheel. Factory RBR as well. So that's all platinum. Factory diamonds.
That's cool.
Factory, yeah. I mean, as far as vintage goes, it's a vintage Arabic dump. It's just beautiful. It's different to what you'd get these days with a bright blue, ice blue.
I do like my vintage cars. I bought a classic Ferrari at the beginning of the year.
Did you really?
Yeah.
What
348.
Oh, nice.
And they've really plummeted in value.
Oh, they really? What, since you bought it?
No. Since the last couple of years, and because of cost of living crisis, like they are really going for a decent price now.
When Alex nicks my sales.
So yeah, this month I am flying with what is it? What is the comment? Passing with flying. What is it? Flying colours. You know what I'm trying?
Yeah, like you passed the test with flying colours. Passed with flying.
What's?
You're just out in the front.
If you are buying your loved one a watch, the main thing you got to look at is the case size, the dial cutter,